you guys. I'm sure it's just a misunderstanding. Those little girls are so sweet and nice.
Yeah, well, they're robbing you. If they were mean, they'd have a hard time conning you out of how much money?
500?
I know. I just wanted to hear you say it again.
Ugh, you don't even care.
Well, not a lot. But come on. Let's go bust some heads and get your cash back.
Yeah.
No! There will be no busting of young British heads. I'm gonna go talk to them and get Dice's money back. We gonna have a dialogue.